Looking for a mini split you can install yourself without paying thousands for professional installation? The Albott 12,000 BTU DIY Mini Split promises exactly that, but does it actually deliver? Here's my honest review after looking at what it offers. The first thing that makes this system stand out is its DIY installation. Unlike traditional mini splits that usually require HVAC tools and professional installation, this model comes with a Pro Fast Fit pre-charged line set that's designed to simplify the process. If you're comfortable with basic home improvement projects, installation is much easier than a conventional mini split. Performance is impressive for a unit in this price range. It delivers 12,000 BTU of cooling and heating, runs on a standard 115V outlet, and features an 18SER2 inverter compressor that adjusts its speed automatically. Instead of constantly turning on and off, it maintains a steady room temperature while using less electricity. It's suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, home offices, and spaces up to about 750 square feet under ideal conditions. Another feature I really like is the quiet operation. The indoor unit operates at around 29 dB, making it quiet enough for bedrooms or home offices. You also get Wi-Fi connectivity, app control, a remote control, sleep mode, self-cleaning, washable filters, and both heating and cooling for year-round comfort. Day-to-day use is simple. Once installed, you can adjust the temperature from your phone or the included remote. The inverter compressor keeps temperatures stable without the constant cycling common on cheaper air conditioners, which also helps reduce energy bills. Of course, it isn't perfect. Even though it's marketed as DIY, installing a mini split still requires mounting the indoor unit, positioning the outdoor condenser, drilling through a wall, and handling electrical connections. Beginners should be prepared to spend several hours on installation, and some users may still prefer professional help if they're unfamiliar with electrical work. General DIY discussions also recommend carefully checking sizing and installation requirements before purchasing. The pros include easy DIY installation, inverter efficiency, quiet operation, heating and cooling, Wi-Fi control, self-cleaning, and lower operating costs compared to portable air conditioners. The drawbacks are that installation still requires some technical skills, the outdoor unit needs a proper mounting location, and it's not as simple as plugging in a portable AC. Who should buy it? Homeowners who want the efficiency of a ductless mini split without paying for professional installation. Who should skip it? Renters or anyone uncomfortable drilling walls and performing basic electrical installation. Overall, the Albott 12,000 BTU DIY Mini Split offers excellent value with efficient heating and cooling, smart features, and a DIY-friendly installation system. If you'd like to check today's price, click the Amazon affiliate link in the description below.